What if I told you that you're an energy body? You'd probably laugh at it and say that, look at me, Vijay. Look at yourself, you're a physical body. But if I told you that we're all made of atoms, and every single atom there, most of the space is in it, 99% or more, is just but energy. And even the nucleus there is kept together by nuclear energy, and even that can be thought of as energy. You and I cannot disagree with Einstein when he said that energy and mass are interchangeable, or those both things are different forms of the same thing. So, I might be a physical body, but I'm also an energy body. And if I'm an energy body, what is controlling this energy body? It's one thing. It is thoughts. You think positively, this energy is diverted or is directed towards a positive action. You think negatively, it's directed towards a negative action. And it's not directed towards anything, this energy is scattered. So how do we change our thoughts, or how do we control our thoughts? You have to remember the words of Buddha, who says that if you want to change your life, you have to change your thoughts. But he didn't tell us how to change our thoughts. Now, to explain this to you, to explain it in a simpler way, let's compare our brains to a computer. Okay? And the programs that are in the computer are our beliefs, are our fears, as the information or the processing or the analysis that conclusions we have drawn to about the things that we see in our world. So these are the programs. The environment, the media, and everything out there is the information that's fed into these programs. And as a result of these two things, the programs and the information coming there, comes our thought. Either we change our programs or we change the information coming into the brain to change our thoughts. And that's easier said than done, right? I can run to the temple, I can run to the church and be there in meditation, prayer, and change my thoughts. But I cannot do it all day. I can run to the Himalayas, far away from all the troubles, and says, I'm in a very peaceful state. It's so easy. But it's hard to live in the world, in the midst of the problem, and be in control of our thoughts. So if I am a computer, and I'm a programs there, for example, and there is information coming in, who is this person sitting back behind these programs, behind this information? That is awareness. If you and I are aware, then we're in control of the programs, control of the information coming into our brains. And the way to develop awareness is through meditation, reflection, and journaling. If we do that, and the more we develop awareness, the more we control of our brains, and more we control about the information coming in, and more we're in control of our thoughts. And by changing our thoughts, we can change our life. To summarize this, I want to say this once again, that you and I are physical as well as energy bodies. And these energy bodies are controlled by our thoughts. And our thoughts can be controlled by developing awareness. So we at CFL realize that it's important as a student, as a teacher, to be fully controlled, or we cannot be fully controlled, to a certain degree, control of our thoughts. This is why at CFL we're starting these three things: journaling, reflection, and meditation, so that our students develop some level of awareness. And with this awareness, they're able to control their thoughts and able to achieve their goals or their dreams. Wishing them all the best. Thank you.